You're on the casting couch. Tell us your name and why you want to do this.
My name is Ralph, and I don't know. I mean, like, I've always been kind of adventurous. Like,
all right. So today we got the R32 GTR, and we're gonna be replacing
the boot. It looks like the nipple. Look at that. You ever seen something like that? Can you see it? Oh yeah. I've never seen anything like that in my life. Wires from the ceiling. What's next? Air in a jar. Yep.
All right, turn the green one. Yep.
People were recording me on the drive over here.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Is it because you got a Skyline?
Because you're Ralph driving.
You're
It's like, how's he fucking got a manual and masturbating?
There we go. Oh, damn, they're light. All right, message to the haters.
Bro, change the channel. First thing we did is we took off the solder pin to get this ring off. The ring of Elduron. For all y'all telling me that I need to get some sleep, I think you're alright, bro.
See, this is what I forgot to bring that day, and I'm like
Could have saved us a lot of time. I fucking took a hammer to my knee, bro, because of you. I mean, I'm the one that gave myself the hammer to the knee, but still, bro. All right, we got some Pittsburgh 22s right here.
Yeah, the chrome socket.
Halfway to Pittsburgh is 11.
They say you're not supposed to do chrome
on these, right?
Yeah, but I do it all the time.
Well, mama don't know. Won't hurt her.
Until they blow up. Make sure it's on there good.
I'm gonna catch some shit for this. All right, boy, ready?
Yeah.
Bro, is this whole tightening?
It might.
Yes, bro. It said on M. You should have had it set to W for Wumbo.
Ooh. And it's out. It's out. Cool.
Yeah, and my hand ended up looking like Peter Parker after he fought Green Goblin. I had a father. His name was Ben Parker. Godspeed, Spider-Man. Don't tell Harry.
You're a movie fanatic, huh?
Somewhat, bro.
You memorize movies?
That's what happens when you grow up an only child.
Oh, yeah?
Movies are your best friends.
So you had no best friends growing up?
Hey, shut up, man. Don't play like that, bro. There's a limit to these jokes, I'm gonna tell you right now.
Ooh. That's cars, though. What does that sound like?
Mac and cheese?
Yeah, there we go. That's how you take it out. Ooh, there.
There we go.
Alright, so what we're doing here is like you put some weed on the top here. And you... Alright, watch out, bro.
Just enough to get the little...
The ring on there?
Yeah. There we go. Perfect.
Ay, tacos.
Now fill that hoe up with grease.
Oh yeah, baby. Bro, chicks love this stuff, bro. I'm for real. You don't believe me?
You've used it? Oh.
Shit, hey chick, I learned about it. I couldn't get the job done with my own supplies.
No.
If you know what I mean. Just keep pumping, bro. Just keep pumping.
You're almost there.
Yeah.
And invite you.
Shout out to our sponsors, Sean Diddy Combs. Queefed.
Everything reminds me of her. Oh shit. Where's the...
Louis said get a close-up of these nuts.
Yeah, these nuts. Where's the other 12 at? Oh, is that it?
Maybe. Bro, hell nah,
You want these tight or not really?
He ain't even doing nothing to do. How am I gonna know the difference, bro?
When you're driving, it falls off.
Alright, not really. Like a little danger. This thing holds 3 tons.
3 tons? How much pounds is that?
3 tons, that's about 3,500 pounds. What you laughing at, idiot? How much is it?
3 tons?
Yeah.
6,000 pounds.
For real?
Yeah.
So 1 ton is 2,000 pounds?
Yeah.
Oh, wasn't too far off, bitch.
You're only 3,000 pounds off. That's not a lot.
Your mom's 3,000 pounds off. Hell no, he keeps his Christmas tree up there. Can I zoom into that one?
Do you see it? The Christmas tree?
It's in that box, right? It's not even.
My Christmas tree is 2 feet tall.
Bro, this man keeps his Datsun right here where my skyline is. And he keeps a box up there just balancing on one beam, bro. Like, how could just tip over and just fuck the car up? Why are you gay? Sorry.
Is it?
Ah, sorry, I farted.
Did you for real?
Yeah, you hear that fart?
I thought that was your shoe.
Nah, I farted. Ooh, stinky air.
Well, we just completed another job. How do you feel? What do you say to those people that say Ralph's not a car guy? He's
So don't worry about yourself and make some motherfucking money, bro. That ain't going nowhere. That ain't going nowhere. If you don't say that, it'll go somewhere?
Yeah, it'll go everywhere.
Oh shit. That ain't going nowhere.
The skyline fixed up.
Bro, you say it's fixed up and we got this funnel going into the radiator.
We're trying to bleed the air, see if it has any air in the system. It's getting a little hot, but maybe that new radiator will help. I'm pretty sure it will.
New radiator installation video coming soon. Smash that like button, guys.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.